Greetings viewers, Bob Asadi Deals on Wheels. How many months has your ad been running online? Has it been 4, 5, 6 months? Hey, has it been a year yet? You know, it takes me 30 seconds to sell your vehicle at dealer-only auctions. I'm registered at over 100 different locations, one near you, and I don't make a penny unless your vehicle sells. If your vehicle is paid off, in many cases I'm able to get KBB Private Party or more, especially if it's an excellent condition Japanese make or a 4 full-size door truck with at least sunroof and leather. I'm licensed and bonded for $100,000, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look, your vehicle is depreciating every day. You might even be paying on insurance and registration. Contact me today and stop getting lowballed by thousands over at the car dealership or people calling you out of the classifieds. Bob at sellmethecar.com. Again, Bob at sellmethecar.com. Link in the description down below.